Hey guys, it's Janita. Feeling much better from that terrible, awful cold. Woo! I'm so glad. Thanks for all the prayers and everything, you guys. I feel so much better. Woo! Way better than I was. Well, I got the camera. Well, I have the camera staring in my sink. I'm getting ready to give my drain, my sinkhole, like pie hole, a bath. I have put some, I don't know if you guys can see that white powdery stuff. That is baking soda. So I'm getting ready to pour the vinegar in, and this is what's going to happen. It folds up like that. And I just let it sit in there like that for a while. Wait, maybe I need a little bit more because I see some stuff down in there. Yep, this is one way to give your drain a little drink to freshen its breath, because this sink's whole drain was smelly. I did make a previous video about how you take your brush, also one of those long handle brushes you get out of the Dollar Tree or a dollar store, and you use that also to put down in the drain and like a toothbrush and clean this cavity out. Yep, clean the old funky cavity out. But this right here works too. I let it set in there and eat up all the gunk and deodorize it, have it fresh smelling. That's all. Just making a little cleaning video, putting in work for the cleaning community. I'm trying my best to put in work for a lot of communities. I'm not going to do every single one. Like I had misspoken in the last one of my videos. I said trying to put in work for all. Not all. As many as I can. But that's all, you guys. Have a great one, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And thanks for all the new subscribers. Love you. Thank you. I'll support you. I support small channels. I might do it at a snail's pace, but I'll get around. Bye, you guys. Thanks for all your prayers.